Hey folks, let's make some Watergate salad. It's cool, refreshing for those hot summer days. And it's very, very simple, so let's get started. We're going to start with a can of crushed pineapples. This is 20 ounces in heavy syrup. And we're going to use 2 packages of pistachio instant pudding. At Christmas time, when I make this, I put a little bit of green color in this so it'll be really green. And then I chop up some of those cherries that you buy in a jar. And it makes it very festive. So that's a good note for the holidays, but this is summertime. And you stir it, it all stirred up. Then we're going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Then we're going to put in 10 ounces of miniature marshmallows. I don't know if I'm going to use all of these. Put it in. We're going to put in I'm going to put in a cup. Isn't this a beauty? It's light and refreshing. It's cool, especially in the summertime when it's hot. And so I hope you try this. And it makes a big old bowl. This is just a small bowl of it, but it goes a long way. You can just keep adding, you can, I forgot to say that you can put walnuts in here if you like walnuts instead of pecans, or you can don't put pecans, if you don't like nuts. It's very versatile, and as always, God bless.